morning, class. Are you all ready with your dice, the ice tray and the rajma seeds? Very good. And if you don't have dice, you can make it yourself. I'll tell you how to make it. See, I made these dice by kneaded dough. I know they are not as perfect as the ready-made ones, but it will solve our purpose of playing the game. I just gave them the shape like a dice and painted them in different colors and put the dots on them. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on different sides. You can also make dice by cutting old erasers or by kneaded dough as I have made. Now let me introduce you with the rules of the games. First of all, you will make the tens and ones columns like the one shown in the picture. Now you and your partner will take turn to roll both the dice together. Suppose you roll and a 5 and a 2. Write the smaller number in the tens and bigger number in the ones column. Remember, smaller number in the tens column and bigger number in the ones column. Now what do we get? We get 25. Next is your partner's turn. After 5 turns each, check who got more even numbers and who got more odd numbers. The one who gets more even numbers is the winner. You can also change the rules of the games. If both of you get equal numbers, then both are the winners. Now the Rajma Seeds activity. Children, this is a very simple activity which will help you get confident over your concept of odd and even numbers. For this activity, take any 2-digit number. Take any small number, say less than 30. Now take as many Rajma seeds in your hand as the number and put them side by side in pairs into the ice cream tray. Suppose you take 11 and place them side by side in the tray like this as shown in the picture. What do you see? Can you see the one unpaired? Yes, there is one unpaired there. It means that 11 is an odd number. Now, to confirm this, let's recall the odd-even rule of ones place which we learned in our previous class. What was it? Yes, when the digit at ones place ends in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, it's an odd number. In the number 11, 1 is at the ones place. So it is an odd number. Easy. So children, as I told you, for the game we need 2 dice, a sheet of paper with tens and ones column and even and odd column. These all things are for the game. For the activity, we need number cards and same number of Rajma seeds with each card. 17 number is written on the card and there are 17 Rajma seeds in this bowl. And an ice tray for the activity. Let's first play the game. I will take turn to roll the dice. Let's see which numbers do I get. Oh, I got a 6 and a 4. So, smaller number, that is 4, will go in tens column. And bigger number, that is 6, will go in the ones column. So, if 6 is at the ones column, is it an even number or an odd number? Right, it is an even number. Now my partner's turn. Let's see what does she get. She got both the numbers same. So children, this is an exception. If you get both the numbers same, you have to roll the dice again. She will take another turn to roll the dice. She gets a 6 and 5. Okay, so 5 is a smaller number. So 5 will go in tens column. And 6 is bigger number. It will go in the ones column. So again it is an even number because 6 is at the ones place. So it was all about the game. Now at the end you have to see how many times you got even number and how many times you got odd number. The one who gets more even numbers will be the winner. You can always change the rules of the game. Now let's do the activity. I have taken number cards 9, 12, 14, 17 and 20 and the same number of Rajma seeds. You can take different numbers. Now I'll start from the smallest number, that is 9. I'll take all the Rajma seeds in my hand and place them side by side, that is in pairs, in the ice tray. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now see, all the Rajma seeds are in pair. They all seem happy. But this one, oh, it is alone. It is feeling sad, which is very odd, isn't it? So 9 is an odd number because one Rajma seed was left alone. Now let's take another number, that is 12. 12 Rajma seeds in my hand. I'll again place them side by side in pairs in the tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh wow! All the Rajma seeds are in pair. Each one has a friend. Every Rajma seed is looking happy. So 12 is an even number. And the same way we can do with the number 14, 17 and 20. If any Rajma seed is left alone in a box, then it is an odd number. And if they all are in pairs side by side, then it is an even number. Children, by playing this activity, you can become confident in your concept of odd and even number. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. Take care.